Third bit.
305 multiply 3.
305 multiplied by 3. Very good. So which number table?
3 table, ma'am.
Yes, 3 tables. So tell me 3 fives are?
3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 12, 3 5 15.
Very good. 3 fives are 15. So we will write here 5 and 1 will go as?
In answer, we should take 1 in tens place.
Very good. Very good, Tanishka. We will write 5 here and 1 will go as carry over in tens place. And now 3 zeros are how much, Tanishka? 3 zeros are?
0, ma'am.
Very good. Whenever you are multiplying any number with 0, answer is 0, but 1 is here. So we will add that 1 with 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So we will write here 1. And then 3 nines are how much, Tanishka? Sorry, 3 threes are how much?
3 3s are 9, ma'am.
Very good. So what is the answer?
9, ma'am.
No. Now read the complete number.
915.
Very good. Answer is 915. Very good, Tanishka. Yes, children, now leave 3 boxes and then write question number 4. 417 multiplied by 2. Write next question, children. 417 multiplied by 2. Fourth question. Aditya Ram? Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now question number 4. Read that question.
417 multiply 2.
417 multiplied by 2. That's correct. Now tell me which number table?
2 table.
2 table. Very good. So 2 sevens are?
14.
Very good. So 2 sevens are 14. So we will write here 4 and 1 will go as?
Carry forward.
1 will go as carry forward. Now tell me 2 ones are?
2.
And we have to add this 1 also to tell. So tell me.
3.
Very good. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we will write here 3. Then next.
2 4s are 8.
Very good. Now 2 fours are 8. So we will write here 8. What is the answer?
834.
Very good. So answer is 834. Very good, Aditya. That's the correct answer. Now next. Aniksai.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Question number 5. Yes, children. Again, you have to leave 3 lines and then you have to write the next question. And if you don't have sufficient space, you can write down. Okay. Yes, Aniksai. Read question number 5. Fifth bit. Yes, Anik. Anik, are you there? Anik, you are not speaking. Yes, Lohit.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, I can't see your screen, ma'am.
But Lohit, other children, they are able to see what I am sharing.
Ma'am, I'll rejoin again, ma'am.
Huh?
I'll rejoin again, ma'am.
Yes, Lohit, but other children, they are able to see what I am sharing. Please check your network. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Akshaj? Akshaj, am I audible to you? Akshaj, am I audible to you? Shrivas. Shrivas. Shrivas, are you there? Shrihasan and Shrivas. That's the reason I always ask you children to switch on your cameras. You're not present there physically, most of you. Yes, Shreyas? Shreyas Rao.
Yes.
Shreyas, are you there? Shreyas, are you there?
Class, madam, she going to washroom.
Shreyas, are you there? I'll ask it some other time. P. Shreyan?
Yes, ma'am.
P.
Yes.
Shreyan. Yeah, now read question number 5, please.
582
Yeah, 582
multiply 3.
multiplied by 3. Very good. So, which number table?
3
Very good. So, tell
Three
me,
table.
3 twos are?
6.
Very good. 3 twos are 6. So, we will write 6 first. Then 3 eights are? You
24.
also do yourself. 3 eights are 24. So, we will write only 4 here and 2 will go as carry. Yeah. Okay, now next. 3 fives are?
15.
15 plus 2?
17.
17. Okay, so children, this you don't know, but write this one below this multiplication symbol, okay? This is 1746. Numbers in thousand, we will study in grade 3, okay? So for now, just write this answer. Okay, that's correct, P. Shreyan. C. Shreyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read question number 6. Children, keep on writing questions and between every 2 question, leave at least 3 boxes, okay? Yeah, please read question number 6.
438 multiplied by 1.
This is 438 multiplied by 1. Very good. So, which number table?
1.
Very good. So, tell me 1 eights are?
8.
Yeah, 1 eights are 8. So, we will write 8. Then 1 threes are?
3.
Very good. So, we will write here 3. And 1 fours are?
4.
4. So, we will write here 4. Very good. That's the correct answer. Yes, Akshaj. 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 Akshaj, you were raising your hand. Hmm. Now next. Aslan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aslan. Question number 7. Children, keep on writing questions and answers also.
653
Very good. 653
2.
multiplied by 2. Okay, which table?
2.
2. 2 table. Very good. So 2 threes are?
2 3s are 6.
2 threes are 6. So we will write 6 here. Then next 2 fives are?
10.
10. So we will write only 0 here and 1 will go as carry forward. Okay. Now 2 6 are how much?
12.
12. So we'll write here 12.
No, we'll write 13.
Very good. We will add this one also. So answer is 1 3 13. Okay, very good, Aslan. That's the correct answer. Now, next. Kartika Nalla. Kartika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Kartika, please read question number 8. Question number 8, Kartika. Please read that question. Yes, Kartika, I'm waiting. Krishika D. Krishika D, are you there? Krishika. Krishika D. Yes, please speak up. Krishika, you need to read question number 8, please. You're not speaking, just smiling. Yes, Akshaj. Akshaj, you are not.
What's the page number?
Yeah, now. Akshaj, you have to write these questions in your notebook. It's not in your book. Yeah, you have to write this in your notebook. Okay, now. Next. Silvika,
Ma'am.
yeah, please read question number 8. Camera on, please. Yes, Vilvika, question number 8. Quickly.
154 multiplied by 5.
Yes, so this is 154 multiplied by 5. Which table?
5 table.
Yes, so we will recall 5 table. Now tell me 5 fours are how much?
20, ma'am.
Yes, so we will write only 0 here and 2 will go as?
Carry over.
Okay, so we will write this 2 of this 5. Now next 5 fives are?
25, ma'am.
Yeah, 5 fives are 25. So we will write a 25, Deepika.
No, ma'am.
Then what we will write here?
2.
No, no, you have,
7, ma'am.
yeah. We have to add this 2 with that 25. So 25 plus 2 is 27. So we will write here only 7 and 2 will go as?
Carry over.
Yeah, 2 will go as carryover. Now next. Yes, will become. Yeah, 5 ones are?
5, ma'am.
5 ones are 5. So we'll write here 5.
No, ma'am.
And what we will write?
7.
Yes, we are going to write here 7. Okay, thank you. That's the correct answer. Yes, children. Okay, so I'll give you 2 minutes time. Those who have joined the class late, they can note down the questions and answers or the solution also. Okay, I'll give you 2 minute time. Okay, I'm sorry, there was some issue. Those who have joined late, please note down the questions. Later on, I'll upload it on. I'll upload it in MCB. Okay. Those who have joined late, please note down the questions. Yes. Okay. Is there anyone who is still writing these questions? Yes, children. Is there is anyone? No. Okay. Fine. Children, now take out new page. We'll do few more questions. Take out new page. Write date and class work. After writing date and class work, you have to leave one line and then you have to write this question. And please write correct spelling, okay? Multiplication. Write date, class work, and then leave one line. Multiplication with 10 and 100. Multiplication with 10 and 100. After writing date and class work, remember you have to leave one line. Then you have to write this multiplication with 10 and 100. And again, you have to leave one line. And then you have to start writing the question. Okay, proper gap should be there. Okay, children, before this, I want to tell you one thing. Yeah, look here, look at your screen, children. Suppose I am writing here, look here. Suppose I am writing here 5, this symbol represents multiplication, okay? Dhriti, look at your screen first. Then later on you will have a doubt. Dhriti, Rati, look at your screen. Yes, children, look at your screen. No need to write this. I am just telling you. I wrote here 5 multiplied by 8. This, you all can see it looks like a star. No, this is a multiplication symbol, okay? You have to make it like this in your notebook. You have to make like this only. But I don't have this multiplication symbol in my keyboard, so I will make a star like this, and you have to make multiplication symbol like I have made with this red color, okay? Understanding? Right? So this is 5 multiplied by 8, right? And you have to make multiplication symbol like cross only. You will make like cross only. Remember this thing, right? Okay, fine. So now we'll start writing first bit. Okay. So this is 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to how much? And after every bit, remember children, you have to leave one line. Now bit number 2. 5 multiplied by 100 is equal to how much? Then third bit. 7 multiplied by 10 is equal to how much? I am reading questions also so that you will not have any confusion. And you will make multiplication symbol like cross only. Okay, no need to make like how it's being displayed on the screen. Okay. Next, 6 multiplied by 100 is equal to how much? Then next, 9 multiplied by 100 is equal to how much? And then last bit, 77 multiplied by 10 is equal to how much? Write these 6 questions. Write all these 6 questions, children. Write these 6 questions in your notebook. Again, I am repeating, this is multiplication symbol, okay? Between every two number, there is a multiplication symbol. Done? Okay, so we'll start now. Are there first bit? Are there?
Yes, ma'am.
3 multiplied by 10 is equal to?
30.
Very good. So 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. We'll write here 30. Okay, that's the correct answer. Now next. That is second bit. Z, second bit, 5 multiplied by 100. How much?
500.
Very good. So next one is 500. That's the correct answer. Children, keep on writing answers. 500. Okay. Ashwita, third bit. Third bit, Ashwita. Read the question.
7 multiplied 10 equal to 70.
Very good. 7 multiplied by 10 is equal to 70. That's the correct answer. Now next. Kushal, bit number D, fourth bit. Kushal. Yes, Kushal, fourth bit.
600, ma'am.
Very good. So this is 6 multiplied by 100 is equal to 600. Okay. Shreyas. Shreyas. Yes. Fifth bit.
Video cut.
Shreyas.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Bit number 5.
9 multiplied by 100.
How much?
900.
Very good. 9 multiplied by 100 is equal to 900.
900.
Yeah, that's correct. Now next. AVK Ganesh, next question.
Ma'am.
Yeah, next,
Yes,
last
ma'am.
question. Last question. F bit.
70.
No, read that question. 77.
77 multiplied by 10.
Yeah. Now what is the answer?
$70.
No. After this number, how many zeros we will put?
710.
But the number is 77. So what we will do? We will write here 77 first, and then after that we will put 10. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is 770 AVK Ganesh. We will write that number first, and after that we will put 10. So this is 770. Yes, Ashrit, you were raising your hand. Yeah, Ashrit, you were raising your hand. Huh?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You have used raised hand option. Okay, fine. No problem. Yes, children. Is there anyone who is still writing? If nobody is writing, then I'll clear all this. Is there anyone who is still writing? No? Fine. I'll clear this. Okay, children. Now, next. New page and write this question. Take out new page and then write. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. After writing this, children, you have to leave one line and then you have to write your first bit. This is fill in the blanks. Yes, children, and leave one line and then start writing. 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to how much? Then 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to how much? The next. 9 multiplied by 8 is equal to how much? 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to how much? The next. 3 multiplied by 9 is equal to how much? And last one. 7 multiplied by 9 is equal to how much? Yes, children, write these 6 questions. And after every question, you have to leave one line. Don't forget this. Yes, children, write fast. Pathan. Pathan. Yeah, first. Read bit A. First bit.
6 table.
6 ones are 6.
Yeah.
6 twos are 12. 6 threes are
Ah.
48.
Oh, 6 3s are 48. Very good. Well done.
Radha, 8 table అవుతుందా? 8 table.
Pathan, I'm waiting.
8 table for J.
8 ones are 8.
Hmm.
8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24.
Hmm.
8 fours are 23.
32.
32.
Hmm.
8 fives are 40.
Hmm.
8 six are 42.
40.
Oh.
48.
Ah.
6 eights are 48.
6 8s are?
48.
Okay. That's also correct. Yes, children, whatever is 6 8s, 6 8s are and 8 6s are. Both are same. So answer is 4 8 48. Okay. Now next. Second bit. Lohit 5 9s are how much? Second bit.
5,
Quickly.
5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 21, 5 6 the 30, 5 5 the 3, 5 7 the 3 5 35, 5 8 the 4 2 42, 4 0 40, 5 9 the 4 5 45.
So answer is 4 5 45. So we'll write here 45. Very good. That's correct. Now next. Advaita.
Ma'am,
Yes, 9 8s are how much?
45, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Very good. 9 8s are 45. Huh? Advaita.
72, ma'am.
9 8s are 72. Okay. Now next. Devansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next bit. 4 7s are. Devansh, 4 7s are. Devansh, you need to unmute yourself. Yeah, 4 7s are.
28, ma'am.
Yeah, 4 7s are 28. So we'll write here 2 8 28. Okay, that's correct. Now next, Ashrita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, next question. 3 9s are.
3 9s are